we'll guide you through how to make cloud transition in After Effects. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Adobe After Effects on your computer and wait for the program to load completely. After the workspace appears, create a new composition to begin your project. Set the composition settings you need, then confirm to open the timeline. Next, import your video clips from your computer into the project panel. After the clips have been imported, place both clips in the timeline in the order you want them to appear. Overlap the clips slightly so the transition area is created between them. Once the clips are arranged, create a new solid layer from the layer menu and place it above both clips in the timeline. After creating the solid layer, apply Fractal Noise to it from the Effects and Presets panel. This effect will generate the base texture for the cloud transition. Next, add Fastbox Blur to soften the noise and create smoother cloud shapes. Increase the blur value until the texture looks soft and cloud-like. After that, apply Turbulent Displace to distort the noise and make it look more natural and flowing like real clouds. Adjust the settings until the cloud shape looks organic and smooth. Once the cloud texture is ready, animate the evolution property of Fractal Noise by enabling keyframes. Move the playhead forward and increase the evolution value so the clouds move and shift over time. This creates a flowing cloud motion during the transition. During the overlap section, increase the opacity of the cloud layer so it becomes fully visible and covers the screen. As the cloud effect builds, use it to hide the first clip completely under the animated clouds. Then reveal the second clip behind the cloud layer so the transition happens smoothly. If needed, add a feathered mask to soften the edges of the cloud effect and make the transition more natural. After setting all keyframes and effects, preview the result by playing the timeline from the beginning of the overlap. Watch carefully to ensure the clouds move smoothly. The first clip disappears cleanly, and the second clip is revealed correctly. Adjust any settings if needed for timing or softness. Once everything looks correct, add the composition to the render queue. Check the output settings if necessary, then click Render to export the final video. Your cloud transition is complete.